In this tutorial, we'll explore the Notebook OS side panel and a few quick access tips. After installing Notebook OS, pin the extension icon to your Chrome toolbar. This makes the side panel available from any web page. Click the Notebook OS icon to open the panel. The side panel stays docked on the right, so you can capture notes, sources, voice memos, images, transcripts, and web content without losing your place. First, click Sync to load your NotebookLM notebooks. If you use multiple Google accounts, use the account switcher at the top to choose the NotebookLM account you want to save into. The detection bar shows what kind of page you're viewing. Notebook OS can recognize regular web pages, YouTube videos, YouTube playlists, course pages, AI chat pages, RSS feeds, and academic articles. On regular web pages, you can add page text or add the link to NotebookLM. On YouTube, you can export transcripts or import playlist videos. On supported course platforms, you can export lecture transcripts. On AI chat pages, you can import the conversation as a NotebookLM source. For any page, you can use Voice Brain Dump to record an idea and save it as an audio source. You can also use Web Snip to capture a visual region of the page and save it as an image source. Use Lock to Page when you want a note to stay attached to a specific web page. Leave it off when you want one note that follows you across pages. Finally, use History to review recent captures and retry failed uploads. The side panel is your quick capture layer. Open it anywhere, choose a notebook, and send useful material into NotebookLM.